Well, so I put a cup back in here, and I've actually tried 2 different cups in this pump. I pulled all the guts out, put them back in. I have an issue that I really don't like very much. When I use this, and I use the depth gauge on it, or I'll just show you, basically, ka-thunk, you know, like that, and I get the depth gauge down there, and I measure this side versus this side. I get about, usually about 0.085 on this side, and usually about 0.095 on this side with any cup I put in there. I've actually had this problem before. I installed this pump. It's noisy. So maybe there's something wrong with it. I don't know what the hell's going on. I have another pump over here where I've pulled off some parts, but when I mic it out, caliper it out, it's exactly the same depth on all edges. So I think I'm going to just basically take off the electronics on this one, put it on that pump right there, and run this pump and see how it sounds. So one other thing occurred to me, when you put this little cup in here, this basically is this support for the spring. The spring, it sits on top of it like this, and the cap goes on there. I suppose if for some reason that this cup is out of spec, that might cause some sort of noise too, but we'll see. I'm putting the same one in, but again, I'm using a absolutely different pump housing this time, so maybe I'll get lucky and the combination of parts will work out fine. This is pretty cool. It's not every day you see a perfectly even number like that on the odometer. So